Progressive App Review 2025 Insurance App. Progressive App Snapshot. Managing your auto or home insurance on your phone sounds convenient, but does the Progressive App deliver in 2025? Let's find out what makes it stand out and where it might fall short. Most people get this wrong by thinking insurance apps are just for payments. The surprising truth is that Progressive offers a full suite of features beyond bill pay. You can get quotes, file claims, track repairs, request roadside assistance, and even manage multiple policies from a single dashboard. One of the main pros is convenience. The app is intuitive, making it easy to find policy details, update coverage, or add a vehicle. If you're in an accident, you can upload photos directly, start a claim immediately, and receive updates in real time. Roadside assistance is just a tap away, which can be a lifesaver during emergencies. Progressive also offers policy discounts and features like Name Your Price, which helps you find coverage within your budget. The app provides alerts and reminders to ensure you never miss a payment, helping you avoid lapses in coverage. However, there are cons. Some users report that customer support through the app can be slow during peak times, and certain features like claims processing may still require a phone call or interaction with an agent. Additionally, while the app is packed with features, it might feel overwhelming for first-time users who just want simple access to policy documents. In conclusion, the Progressive App in 2025 is a solid tool for managing your insurance efficiently. It's not just for paying bills, it streamlines claims, roadside assistance, and policy management. While there are minor limitations with support response times and a learning curve for new users, the convenience and breadth of features make it worth downloading for anyone with Progressive insurance.